In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use face retouch in Canva. Whether you're working on a personal project or professional design, navigating Canva's retouch tools can take your images to the next level. Let's dive into the process together. First, let's open up Canva. Head over to your web browser and type in Canva's URL or search for it online. Once you arrive on the homepage, look for the Login button at the top right corner. Clicking this will prompt a login page where existing users can enter their credentials. If you're new to Canva, don't worry. Simply click Sign Up to get started. For today, let's assume you're already a user, so hit Continue after logging in and complete the process by selecting your Google account if it's linked. This will give you seamless access to your projects. Now that you're logged in, the next step is to open the project you wish to edit. You can find your active projects on your dashboard. Simply scroll through your recent designs, or use the search bar if you remember the title of your project. Once you've located your project, click on it to open the design. Next, choose the image you want to retouch. For instance, we have a photograph where we might want to reduce some facial marks, providing a smooth and polished result. Click on the image in your design to select it. You should see a toolbar at the top of your screen. Within this toolbar, locate the Edit option. By clicking here, you'll be able to explore a variety of adjustments you can make to your photo. Under the Edit section, navigate to the Effects tab. This is where you can find the Face Retouch tool. The Face Retouch tool in Canva is particularly effective for reducing blemishes and smoothing skin tones. Choose this tool to begin making modifications to your image. You have control over the strength of the effect, allowing for subtle to more pronounced enhancements depending on your desired outcome. Be sure to adjust the intensity to complement the natural look and feel of your photo. When you're satisfied with the adjustments you've made, it's simple to wrap up. Take one last look to ensure that every detail is just the way you want it. If it meets your expectations, then congratulations, you're done. You've successfully retouched an image using Canva's intuitive tools. So there you have it, a comprehensive guide to using face retouch in Canva. This feature is particularly powerful for enhancing your photos with just a few clicks while maintaining a natural appearance. Don't forget to save your work to ensure these changes are applied. Thanks for watching and happy designing.